Hello, friends. Good afternoon to all of you. This is Kamal Sir, and you're watching me on Wisdom Tales by Kamal Sir. Dear friends, as you know, I am daily giving a moral story. Today's tale is a quite different tale, and you will certainly like it. I'm 100% sure. So let me start the tale. Many, many years ago, there lived a student by the name of Bhop Deva. He was a common and weak and thin student. He used to be a source of mockery among his friends as well as class fellows. The source of mockery was none but his forgetfulness. Whatever he learned, he could not remember it. That was the problem with Bhop Deva. One day, his teacher gave a lesson, full lesson to be learned by all the students. Bhop Deva was worried. How could he remember the whole lesson? It was not possible for him. So, on the grounds of that very weariness, he was not able to revise his lesson fully. On the very next day, students started asking the questions from different students. Sorry, teacher started asking the questions from different students. Each and everybody replied except Bhop Deva. So Bhop Deva was chided by the teacher a lot. After that, Bhopdeva sat near the well in a pathetic mood. Meanwhile, an old lady from the village went up to Bhopdeva and asked the reason for his disappointment. Bhopdeva said that I was desperate today due to the pulling up of my character by my own teacher. He narrated the whole story truthfully. He didn't conceal anything from that very woman. That very woman showed some signs on the well stone, and he asked Bhopdeva, did you know how the signs come here? Bhopdeva said, no. He said that these were the signs of a rope. Bhopdeva was astonished how a simple rope could make these types of signs on the stone rope. So he asked for a rope. He started rubbing that very rope on the stone, but he was not able to make any mark on the stone. The lady told that it was not a single rubbing. When these stones got a regular rubbing, that's why they got these rope marks. Similarly, if we keep on trying a thing again and again, then we will learn that very thing very easily. That was the lesson for Bhop Deva. After that day, he started revising his work thoroughly and regularly. Some days, some years later, he became a scholar of the language Sanskrit. The Bhop Deva that used to be a foolish person, now he became a scholar of Sanskrit language. He wrote grammar books for the language Sanskrit. The moral of the story is if we keep on trying the same thing again and again, we become the master of that very thing. Again, I repeat, if we keep on trying the same thing again and again, we become the master of that very thing. Eventually, I would like to sum up with this thought कर्त कर्त अभ्यास पे करत करत अभ्यास पे जड़मति होत सुजान करत करत अभ्यास पे जड़मति होत सुजान रस्सी आवत जात ते सिल पर परत निशान, रस्सी आवत जात ते सिल पर परत निशान, रस्सी आवत जात ते सिल पर परत निशान. That's all for the day. Thank you, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Correct English Wisdom Tales by Kamal Sir. Thank you.